Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, September 29th. Time is around 6:45 GMT, and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Wanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and I believe we did a wave 1 here to the upside, and that we are now working on a wave 2, or the wave 2 is completed. As you can see, we reached this area here. This area has been on my charts for quite some time now, and as you can also see, we have reaction here from this area, reaction to the upside. This is typically what happens if I provide these areas. Like from these areas, we have reaction, like you see here, 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 and now here again. Now, okay, reaction, that does not mean that we can go like deeper into this area, and this would actually also be my main forecast. Um, Look, the Dow Jones, I compare it these days with the DAX. Actually, they are behaving a bit in a similar way. The problem we have here with the Dow Jones is that there is not much interpretation here. This is just like a straight line, kind of. There's not much to read in the RSI. Like I really like my to do the reading in RSI. You can get a lot of information there, but now there is not much to see. Like, could the low be in here? Could be, but I think the safest way is like to wait for another low, I would say. Of course, it could be that the low never comes, that we just start to move up again from here, because everything is here to have a complete correction now. But just if I look at the internals here of this structure, it looks like a fourth wave is missing, or maybe could be that the fourth wave is then something very shallow and not really outspoken, like this could be our wave 4, or maybe here. So that's a bit the difficulty now with the Dow Jones, that we do not have much interpretation here in terms of waves. But I would like to see this fourth wave. Like, even if it is unclear, it is better to stick to some kind of system, or your system, in my opinion. And I'm missing here a fourth wave, so I will just wait for the fourth and the fifth wave. And if they are not coming, then I will have to find another entry, unfortunately. But this is how it works. So ideally, what I would like to see is, okay, we reached the wave 2 area. Now, depending on how you see the ABC, do you see it as a triangle, or do you see it like this ABC? We already reached also here the wave C area, but I prefer to see it as a triangle here. And then, if the primary scenario plays out, then it means that if we take the length of wave A, the length of wave B, then we should go here into this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. Now, if we get this wave 4 here and a wave 5 down, chances are quite high that we reach this area, and then I believe we're good to go again. From there, we can see some upward structures. What it exactly will be this weekend, I study the charts very well, and I will make a higher time frame analysis of the Dow Jones, and then we can see what kind of scenarios can play out from here. But yeah, what I want to see now here is actually another low with divergence. That would be kind of yeah, ideal for me. Like here, this low did not came with, yeah, there is a little bit of divergence here, so that would be the scenario that this is the 3 and this was here the 4, very shallow wave 4. But ideally I like to see a break of the trend line and then another low here in price and divergence here in RSI. So this is what I would wait for. If we start to rally from here, okay, fine, it is what it is. But yeah, I need to respect some kind of system. And with what I see now, I do not have enough clues to make a case that our low is in here, like with 100% certainty. Yeah, it looks like the wave 4 is missing. This is the main issue. If we look then at the way at the 1 hour, so I would label it like this actually. So from here, from this wave B, the wave C has started, or we are doing the wave C, and then I believe the wave 1 and the 2 are somewhere situated here. Then yeah, look here, this is quite a deep RSI reading, so therefore I would think this is the wave 3 here. And yeah, that would mean that the wave 4 now is ongoing, and that we then should see a fifth wave down. That would be my primary scenario. Let's have a look if we can specify here a wave 4 area. So if we take the length of our wave 3, then we know here that we yeah, that we can go to the 0.618 FIB retracements. Now we reached the 0.382 retracement, which is also a common wave 4 level. So yeah, let's see what we are doing here in this area. And maybe let's go to the 15-minute now. So we know that the wave 4 is a corrective structure, so it should go like in 3 waves. And so then I would say this is 1, 2, and we could be working on the third one. So if we take the length here of the wave A, the length of the wave B, then we know that the wave C should go here into this area. So we can let's label this as an ABC for now. So like this. Okay, so what we need to look for is now, will this here be respected? This areas, do we start to turn down from here? Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you this weekend for an analysis of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.